Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my goodness. This is by Envy. I don't know if you saw the live yesterday, but you can look at the replay on wigs.com. We'll have the replay of Envy Live and Experiment Envy. So this is Kate and this is Vanilla Butter. And look at this buttery color, will you? It's just gorgeous. So pretty. First wig I've worn with fringe, so really fun. Let me show you the back. She's a long one, super fun, really pretty. Love, love. So this is a side, you can see from this side, and then take a whole spin. Pretty, 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 pretty. So fun. Oh my gosh. So this is, again, this is Kate. And you can see the fringe is a bit long. You could take a piece of some scissors and cut up in here to them if you wanted to. Or what I'm gonna do is just pull her back a little bit so she's not as long of a bang in my face. And I can pull down the cap. So you can adjust it depending on your head size. I like to wear her behind my ear. You can see like that. So let's take a look on the inside. She is a basic cap. So what that means is there's no lace front. So here we go, look at the front here. This is all just open wefted. It's a basic cap, no lace. And you don't really need the lace since you've got the fringe or the bangs. And then in the back, we have these adjusters that are super easy to adjust, and you can actually adjust them while it's on your head. So if you check out the live that we did with Experiment Envy yesterday, you'll see Roxy adjust these on her head as she's wearing the wig. So she just reached in and pulled on this adjuster and it just adjusts really super easy. That's a neat feature. So she's, again, a very long wig, no defined parting space. Let's look at that again. So normally in a lot of the wigs I wear, this is open wefted or a lace front right here. So you can see where you can part. This is going to be pretty much standard, no part really. Let's put her back on and you can look for that as I slip her on here. Pop up, adjust using the ear tabs. I'm going to adjust her a little bit higher because, as you know, I have a wider forehead space. So as we're doing this, let's use a comb and we can just comb down. I still like to put a little part in so that it has some sort of a defined shift here. I'm not a middle part girl, but you can see how long these bangs are. So I'm just gonna pull it back a little bit so that it's not all the way in my eyes. And I'll just adjust it here. My wig grip, wig cap will hold it. There we go. So that was super fast, super easy. The bangs are just really soft. Now, if I didn't like that, I can move them off to the side if I want, like this. And then I like to sometimes take a clip and just put it in half up, half down. I don't use a lot of the hair, so a little clip like this will do. Let's just clip her right there. So she, casual look. Let's look at the back again. So just kind of fun, right? So again, this is Kate in Vanilla Butter. Beautiful. One of the questions I had is, what do we do about the shine? She seems awfully shiny. So what you can do is use a little bit of dry shampoo, hold it away from your head and just spray it, and it'll take down, it'll dull out the shine a little bit. But I would say wear her outside, and just the smog, the normal wear and tear will dull the shine after a little while. And I get so many compliments on the shiny hair. A lot of women are looking for products to make the hair this shiny. And they sell things, I don't know what they are, but they do sell products to make your hair really shiny. So there's that. But I'd love to know your thoughts. Again, this is Kate in Vanilla Butter by Envy. And I'll put my link in here so you can click on the link for more details and examples of other colors that wigs.com carries in this wig. But hard to believe she's a wig, right? We just put her on. And I'm telling you, this is the one thing I love about wigs is I can just throw on the hair and look on point in seconds, right? Just in seconds. And if I want to wear her half up, half down, or just down, it's wintertime now. She will get a little tangly down here because of my turtleneck. So we want to be mindful of that. Sometimes a shorter wig is easier to handle in the wintertime when you're wearing big sweaters. So just really fun. And again, this is gonna stay on. You can see I can flip my hair. It's not going anywhere. So I can wear her anywhere, really. And in the rain or the humidity, she's gonna just come right back to this look. So I'd love to know your thoughts. Again, Kate in vanilla butter color. Have a great day. Cheers.